rise out of me. I'm destined for the top, but you can't get a rise out of me. 750.
Alright guys, so the only thing that I really got was just the window seal for the driver's side. My rail was bent, so I took off this rail, and then it's missing the rubber, so it leaks a hell of a lot of wind, which is annoying and it's super loud. So let's get back to the house, get back and hopefully install this thing, and I would then will finally not have any wind in the car while I'm driving.
Confidence is scariest, sicker than a variant. Leave these niggas like Harriet, these bitches be so arrogant. Go to the room, get the gun, after that I'm paranoid. Bust down baby Glocky on.
Alright guys, so we're back. So what we're gonna do is pop off this tray. There's gonna be 3 screws that you can unscrew from here, and then a screw from there, and then a screw at the very back there. So let's just unscrew them, and then let's pop off the door panel and we can change out the rails. Alright, so as you can see, missing this whole rail that's on this side. So essentially what I'm going to do is just roll down the window, and then I can actually show you guys. So roll down the window. And simply should be able to, if I can get a grip, pulling it back. Yeah, there we go. So there's the old rail. These are the 2 new rails. That's the one that I'm missing. So let's quickly just throw it on. This is what the whole door looks like. Empty right now, but should be made. Okay guys, window put in. It has that seal and that rail here now, so as you guys can see, rolls down mint, rolls up, and that's about it. So the next thing that I'm going to do right now is just throw on the door panel over here, and we should be mint. Alrighty guys, she is done, and let's take it for a test drive and see if we can hear wind coming through that area again. We shouldn't hear anything. Let's check it out. I'll roll the avalanche. Nice. Heck yeah. Nice and quiet now. I'm so used to just hearing the wind, right? But dope. Let's see, let's get up to 60 here. Nothing. Fucking mint. Alright. Awesome, man. Awesome. Alright guys, so if you guys like this video of me going to the junkyard and then getting the window trim and then putting it in the car, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean a lot. And y'all know the vibes. I'm signing off. Peace.